So what is Power BI? So Power BI is a unified scalable platform for self-service and enterprise business intelligence. BI is business intelligence. Connect to and visualize any data and seamlessly infuse the visuals into the apps what we use every day. There exists a very big question: is Power BI and Excel both are same? You can see the opening screen here. You can see this opening screen, Power BI desktop. So Power BI has faster processing than Excel. The Power BI dashboards are more visually appealing, interactive and customizable than those in Excel. And Power BI is a more powerful tool than Excel in terms of comparison between tables, reports or data files. And Power BI is more user friendly and easy to use than Excel. And the next question is Power BI and SQL both are same or not? No, they are not the same. But however, they share similarities that make them interconnected. Power BI offers SQL Server analysis services where users can quickly build reusable models using the overall data. So Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product developed by Microsoft with a primary focus on business intelligence. It is a part of the Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI is a collection of software services, apps and connectors that work together to turn unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. The data may be input by reading directly from a database, a web page or structured files such as spreadsheets, CSV, XML and JSON. So we have the opening screen of Power BI desktop. You can see that file, home, insert, modeling, view and help. So you can see that add data to your report. So you can import data from Excel, you can import data from SQL Server, you can paste data into a blank table. So we have a sample data set. You can get the data from another source. On the right hand side we have visualizations. So various charts, you can add data fields here. You can search for the data. We have filters option. So once we click a file, you get new, open, report, save and etc. These are the options in the file menu. And look at home. So what we have in home? On the left hand side we have report view, data view and model view. And here we have get data option. You can connect to data from multiple sources. See the common data sources. We have Excel workbook, Power BI data sets. You can import data from a data flow. You can connect to Dataverse through its SQL endpoint, and you can import data from SQL Server database and so on. We have Excel workbook. So if you click Excel workbook, so you get an opening dialog box where you can open any particular Excel file. If you choose Data Hub, you have Data Hub items, Power BI datasets, and we have data marts. So if you select SQL Server option here, you'll get this dialog box, SQL Server database. You have to specify the server and the data connectivity mode. So you can create a new table by typing or pasting a new content here. So you can create a table like this. So you can connect to Dataverse through its SQL endpoint. So you can manage and connect to recent sources. Use the Power Query Editor to connect and prepare and transform data. You can add a visual to your report. You can add a text box to your report. You can add Power BI visuals from app source or from your own files.